What's up guys, welcome back to SL Preem. Yes, I sound excited, but not because of the right reasons. I'm excited that the update for the Mi A3 actually came out. What update? The Android 10 update. But I'm not excited about the bugs. There are actually some major bugs in this update, and number one, which includes the fingerprint reader not working properly on the lock screen. Yes, it still works for other apps, but on the main news, like on the lock screen, it does not work at all. And also, for some people using the phone, like actually calling, I know, kind of rare. I know no one uses the phone feature anymore, but some people still do. And it actually causes the phone to boot loop, like instantly shut down and then restart. That's a terrible, terrible bug. You do not want to be calling someone and then just instantly drop the call. Like, imagine some prince from Nigeria says, "Hello, you won $1 million." And then the phone just hangs up. Like, you could have had your 1 million. Alright, jokes aside, there are also other bugs, which includes corrupted SD cards. And of course, the performance is actually slowed down. For proof, check out my video in the link in the description. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm just trying to warn you guys, do not update right now and wait for the next Android 10 update, which should come out probably in a few months. Who knows? But leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe I'll see you guys later. Peace out.